Dogza.com is marketed as an online pet store offering dog accessories, toys, beds, and other pet products at attractive prices. The website features cute product photos and appealing discounts, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, many online pet stores sell quality products at competitive prices, and shopping online can often save you money compared to buying from a physical store. What it does well: wide product selection. The store offers a variety of products, including toys, beds, grooming accessories, and everyday pet essentials. Affordable pricing. Frequent promotions and discounts can make many items look like good value. Where the hype falls apart, product quality may vary. The materials and durability may not always match what's shown in the product photos. Sizing isn't always straightforward. For items like harnesses, collars, or clothing, measuring your dog carefully is essential. Shipping times may differ. Depending on where product is fulfilled from, delivery could take longer than expected. So, should you buy from Dogza.com? Short answer, maybe, but do your research first. If you find products you like and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or promotional pricing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.